Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to improve your Smart TV Wi-Fi connection in 2026. If your streaming keeps buffering or the connection drops, these simple fixes can help you get a stronger, more stable signal. First, restart both your Smart TV and your router. Power them off, wait about 30 seconds, then turn them back on. This refreshes the network and often fixes weak connections. Next, place your router closer to your TV if possible. Distance and walls can weaken the Wi-Fi signal, so reducing that gap can make a big difference. If your router supports dual band, connect your TV to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It usually provides faster speeds and less interference at shorter distances. Now, disconnect unused devices from your Wi-Fi. Too many active devices can slow your connection and cause buffering on your TV. Make sure your Smart TV software is fully updated. Updates often improve Wi-Fi stability and streaming performance. If the signal is still weak, try using a wired Ethernet connection or add a Wi-Fi extender near your TV. This can dramatically improve stability. And that's it. These steps should improve your Smart TV Wi-Fi connection. Less buffering, smoother streaming, and a more reliable connection. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.